Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be showing you all how I remove my acrylic nails. And so I start by using my cuticle nippers to remove the rhinestones that are on my nails. I'm just trying to dig underneath to get those rhinestones so they can just like pop off. And as you see here, some are easier than others. And so after the rhinestones are removed, I go ahead and use my tip cutter to cut down the length of the nails. Next, I'm using my drill from Melody Susie and the carbide nail drill bit to go ahead and debulk these nails. So I'm just trying to remove the top layer of acrylic so that it's just a very thin layer for me to soak off. So after I am done debulking the nails, I am using 100% acetone with a lint resistant wipe and these nail clips to go ahead and soak off that top layer of acrylic. Normally I would soak my nails in a manicure bowl, but I don't know what happened to my manicure bowl, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these clips. And I did purchase these clips on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clip all my nails and let these sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to go ahead and push off that acrylic. As you see here, the acrylic is flaking down, which is a good sign. If you do remove your acrylic and it's like gummy or sticky and very hard to remove, then that's a bad sign. That means it's MMA. And we don't use MMA. MMA is very, very, very dangerous. So yeah, this is a good sign. The acrylic is coming off flaky, which is good. And so yeah, I'm going to continue to repeat these steps on all the nails. I'm just trying to remove any of the acrylic that can come off before I re-soak the lint-free wipe in acetone and clip it on my nails again for another round, and I'll let that sit again for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and so just like before, I'm gonna go ahead and use my cuticle pusher to push off or try to remove all of that acrylic. As you see here, a lot of it's coming off this time. It's flaking down really nicely. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do that for all the nails. Next, I'm going to use my drill again, this time with a fine grit sanding band, and I'm using that to remove the last little bit of acrylic that's been left on my natural nail. And don't worry, a fine grit sanding band is perfect to use on your natural nails. It's actually great for prepping your natural nails as well as removing the shine. I'm just using a nail clipper to clip my natural nails. I'm actually going to be adding tips to my natural nails, so I don't need that extra little bit. I don't like it showing underneath my acrylic. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clip that off here. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and use this 100/180 nail file from a cart and file my natural nail. Just trying to get it to have a smooth surface. And of course, I'm using the 180 side, so it's perfectly fine on my natural nails. For my last step, I'm using the young nail swipe to go ahead and remove the dust and debris from my natural nail. And that's it. That's how I remove acrylics. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.